Hi, this is John from AZ DIY Guy. We have a dead cactus in the front yard, and I'm trying to figure out how to get it out of here. This is the kind that almost jumps out and gets you with these sharp spines. I don't want to get hurt. So I was thinking about using this landscaping blade in my reciprocating saw, but I still don't want to get close. Look at the thickness of those spikes. They're wider than my hand. So my buddy told me it couldn't be done. I'd end up hurting myself. I think I've come up with a solution. I disagreed with him. Wrapped a couple lengths of chain around the base of it, connected some ratcheting tie straps, and then hooked them to the back of the hitch receiver on the ridgeline. I didn't want to yank that thing out of there so hard that it hits the truck, but I'm still going to yank it the hell out of there. Here we go. And again, just for fun. And it left a little bit of a mess. Bit of a crater in the front yard. But I got it over there by the bulk trash pickup area. They'll be along shortly. My son and I had to tug it up there, and at that point I could just chew it up with the recip saw. Kept away from it. There really weren't that many pieces laying around, and they were pretty dried up, so I was able to pick them up with gloves. Jack swept up, and I brought out the blower. Thanks for watching, everybody. I appreciate it. Feel free to follow. Check out the blog, azdiyguy.com.